Casa Fell is the Goanpur Villa right now. It's a very beautiful temple over here. ये जो पहला सुरूर है ये तेरी निगाहों का कसूर है। क्या लगता है, गाना बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है इस माहौल में। I'm traveling to Mandwa and I'm going to be in Roro in some time. Well friends, I would say that into the industry for last 20 years, the service industry, we try to make sure that our team is like courteous, polite, and they give the best things to a client. We empathize people, empathize the client. Talk about the food, talk about anything, talk about any small little understanding which the client wants to have is what we try and do. It's not only Casa Feliz. Yes, there are places in Alibag where you may not get the service but the ambience. Yes, you can see the ambience is really good and big and this and that and all blah blah blah. But service makes a difference. My friends, I have a team who can serve you the best and the best. 12 to 13 minutes from Casa Feliz to Goanpur Villa, and you don't know, I mean it's a heaven. It's a heaven. From the time I have known this place, that's about 25 years from now, Alibag has grown slowly and steadily. And that's how the city has to, the village has to grow. Because if it grows immediately, the complete symmetry of the city, of the village goes for a toss. And it gets, the complete scenic beauty gets ruptured. So I feel the pace in which these guys are doing, I don't mind that because the village is constant. People are good, but yes, sometimes in some places you might get those attitude, "Ye khana padega," which is not right. One should understand the taste. For example, we have some Jain friends, we have some people who are Punekers, or with people coming from Udaipur, Rajasthan. We have bookings who we have got from UK, US. People have come here. A lot of celebrities have done. Is going to be. I'm going to give the complete information about what is the cost, what does it take to go get into the Roro, how the car goes. Because I have an XUV which has to get in, and yes, friends, we are going to travel to a beautiful place which is a Sai Baba Mandir. And then I'm going to this is basically Sai Baba Mandir. I'm telling you, this is a very beautiful place, which is peaceful. I mean, if you could see this Sai Baba who is making food for all the Anathalayas, and this is a very wonderful place. It's a Ranjanpada here, and Sri Sachidananda Sadguru Sainath Maharaj ki jai. I mean, this is a place where we have bliss. Anything to the God, He will give you. This is Sai Baba. Finally, the darshan of Sai Baba in Alibag. Ranjanpada is the village, and we done it in a very nice way. बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे. इतना ब्यूटीफुल सा एक व्यू मिल रहा है हमें ड्राइविंग पे. So friends, we are waiting for our chance to come to go to the Roro, the place where every Mumbaikar is going to be proudly saying that I'm going to reach some destination very nicely. So this is where the counter is, and I'm going to basically give my phone to them, and whatever email has come to me for. You want to back and get that? Yes. Just say hi now. Just say hi to you. So hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? This is going to be like M2M ferries, and these guys are supporting us to go to the Roro. friends, finally I'm in Roro right now. I've parked my car inside. There's a small little hydraulic which takes the car inside. There's a hydraulic system, and this is basically all the cars which are there down. And I've come to the top. There's a beautiful lounge on the top. I'm going to go to the lounge. Shortly after Mumbai finally launched its first Roro service in Alibag, which was supposed to be in February, the city went into the lockdown. Now the car ferry services is back, and for those who wish to get away from the city is no time. The Roro ride can get you to Mumbai, to Mandwa near Alibag in less than 60 minutes, as opposed to the 3.5 hours or longer it takes by road. So friends, it's going to be fun for you guys, and it's going to be a lovely time what you're going to have. I'm sure we have a friend of ours basically. Excuse me, can you? Hi, how are you? What's your good name? Yeah.
My name is Varun Maulik.
Varun Bauli, and this, I'm so sorry, I'm just taking 30 seconds of yours. How is the feeling and how did it started like, you know? Well friends, in the beautiful sky up above me, I think, you know, there's a place where you can actually come to. Finally, Varun is going to be with me, I guess. You know, I'm sure he's not going to be away from us. And Varun, how's the feeling here? Varun, tell me.
Yeah, it feels good. It feels good that so many people from Mumbai, they come over here, and all the normal people, the middle class families and everyone, they get to enjoy this view and this ship. It's very nice.
Fantastic, yeah. And the first Roro, when did it start, like, you know, in Mumbai?
This one?
Yeah.
It started in March actually, but due to the coronavirus situation, we had to stay in the lockdown. So now we've resumed our service from 20th. 20th to 30th we had started it for the Ganesh Chaturthi festival, and now there is to continue.
Fantastic. And Varun, tell me, now the government has taken a decision saying that, you know, okay, fine, this service will start. And these services which are there from Gateway of India are taking a little bit long to come, you know, to start.
Yeah.
Now, what is the decision? What is that, you know, it took for you to start the service as soon as possible? And for so many people.
This ship can work throughout the year, also during the monsoon and rough seas.
Right.
But those vessels they are not designed to travel in the rough sea.
The rough sea, yeah. But looking at the corona standpoint, like, you know, they are not starting and we have started. So, what is that?
We are trying to maintain social distancing, and we are trying to tell our passengers also to wear masks, use sanitizers at all times.
Correct.
And maintain a safe distance. So it would be good for the people and also for the crew.
That's nice. I think, you know, the Roro is going to be a successful venture because I run a boutique resort in Alibag. I feel that Varun is basically giving us the right information. They are maintaining the social distance. They are giving the sanitization portions for people. They are beautiful parking. Every small little crew is helping. Varun has given us piece of information which will make every Mumbaiker proud about this vessel which travels from Bhauchadakka to Mandwa and back again. And there are restricted timings. Believe me, you are bookings 2 days prior, at least 3 days prior, to understand basically if you can get a Roro or not. And M2M ferries rock. Believe me, Varun, thank you very much for your guidance.
Welcome to M2M ferries.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Bye, see you.
Thank you very much. Vlog बनाता we reached Bhauchadakka and area where these cars have been parked, and they are going to move out swiftly from, you see, they are going to go from there and out. Very beautiful place. Systematic approach. They have really done a good this vessel which has come from Greece, Roro Rocks, and it's going to be a boon to Casafelis Lagoon Pool Villa, where people can come like in minutes, can make your time rejuvenating, relaxing and enjoyable in minutes. And this is like from Hauchadaka to Mandwa in 45 to 50 minutes with beautiful lounge area. The vessel can carry about 145 cars and 500 passengers, but due to COVID they are not doing that. So it's a nice thing, what we could say. It's a very beautiful place. Alright, I would see you later then, because I'm going to go down for my vehicle which has been parked the other side. Your host and those always for each and every journey of your life. Thank you very much.